Alright, what's up? Amaya, and today I will show you how to fix the iOS update problems. First of all, go to your phone setting. I'm gonna show you the problem in general and in software update. As you can see, whenever I check for updates, it gives me an error. Sometimes it doesn't even check for updates. As you can see, it is checking for updates, but nothing is showing up. So I'm gonna just go back to general and then check the software update again. And now you can see it says unable to check for update. This is a very common problem, happens a lot of time, but I will show you how to fix this. This is my about phone. As you can see, this is an iPhone 7. It happens on a lot of iPhones and you can fix it almost on anything. So whenever I check for updates, it doesn't show up. So what are we gonna do is go to our PC. So on our PC, we need to download iTunes. You can use iTunes and download from it the Microsoft Store, or you can also download from the macOS, whichever one you're using, or you can also go into the link and download the iTunes right from there if you do not want to use the Microsoft Store. So this is the setup that I downloaded iTunes from. You can uncheck or check for them as you wish. Simply just install iTunes on your laptop or PC, whichever one you're using. Wait for the installation to complete. After the iTunes are installed, just finish it and it will open iTunes right from here. This is connecting to the iTunes store, so it will take you to the store directly. And it is gonna ask you to log in with your Apple ID and password. So wait for me. I'm gonna log in my username and password. Yep, sometimes I have to keep things secret, even from you guys. Passwords are something that should be kept secret. Okay, now I'm typing in my Apple ID and password, and then it is going to ask me for a security code that is sent to my phone. So I'm going to check my phone now, and then I'm going to type in the code. Wait for it. Let's type in my Apple ID code sent to my phone. Okay, here we go. Now I am successfully logged in with my Apple ID on iTunes on my Windows PC. Okay, now as you can see, Apple ID is now connected. All we need to do is to go to my iPhone, and then I need to connect my iPhone with cable. First of all, I'm going to go to library for now. This is everything iTunes store. You can download a lot of stuff from here. Also, you can manage your Apple devices. So I'm going to go library, and now I'm gonna go to my phone. First of all, I need to connect with a cable, the lightning cable with my Windows PC, and then this is gonna ask me something. It's gonna ask me to trust this computer, so I'm gonna go and hit trust and enter the device passcode so that my computer can be connected with my iPhone. And on Windows, you can see it is asking to access my iPhone. Okay, now what we need to do is to hit continue, and now as you can see, it is now connected. Well, it's not yet connected, but it is connecting. As you can see, now it is connected. Upon connection, it is showing me that there is an update available, so I'm gonna go and download an update. You can also select download only if you want to update it later. So on your Windows, on your iPhone, this is gonna ask the passcode again to update, so I'm gonna enter my passcode to allow this computer to update my iPhone. Okay, now I have entered the passcode. Now let's get back to the Windows device. Okay, here you can see now it is connecting to iPhone software update server. And now this here is the information about the update. So I'm gonna go hit next and agree to the agreement. iCloud is entirely optional. If you want to use iCloud, you can download iCloud, or you can just skip it like I did here. Okay, now this is showing me the information about my iPhone. This is not the complete information, but it is what it is. Now here you can see in the upon right side there is a download icon, and here you can see the progress of the download. This is gonna take some time. Let's wait for it to complete. This all depends on the internet connection, internet speed of your device, so it doesn't matter, and also the size of the update. And now you can see the software update is now downloaded, and now it is extracting the software, and all we need to do is to wait, preparing iPhone for update. Now this is everything is happening automatically, and we do not need to do anything else. Just wait for the process to complete. Also, I will share you that you should not disconnect your iPhone during this process. It is not recommended that you disconnect, because the downloading and the installation happens all the time, so at the same time, and it's automatic, so disconnecting is not recommended. Keep your phone connected and wait for the iTunes to do its job. Everything's automatic for Apple devices. Nothing is manual like you do on some Samsung or other Android devices. All we need to do is to wait for it. Now it is restoring iPhone firmware. Note that it doesn't restore all the time. If you're updating, it simply just updates, but I restored the iPhone. Make sure you have the original iPhone and the Apple ID that is bound to it. Okay, now it said that I should not disconnect my phone and keep it connected. It will show up right here. Okay, looks like the restoration is complete. Now all I need to do is to go to my phone and set it up. I have already set up my iPhone, so I'm going to show you if the software update was applied or not. Here you can see in the software update section, the iPhone is up to date. As it is an iPhone 7, so I do not get the latest iOS updates, but also I get the latest Android patch, iOS patches. You can see from 15.7, now I am 15.8.2. This is an update. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.